I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system. I've not done it myself yet, but let me just see if I can remember. So from any screen here, into setup, audio, navigation, you've got Bluetooth at the bottom, traffic messages and system. So we'll click on Bluetooth, select paired device, delete paired device. So we want to delete paired device. Showing my phone there, click on that. Do you want to delete Barry? No, I've just gone through all those menus, so I can't delete it. So yes. Sorry, I was being sarcastic there. So that's it.